Okay, I'm just sitting at this bench over here in Da Nang. This guy said he's gonna shoe shine my shoes for only 50 Vietnamese dong. 50,000.
Okay,
Thank you. I'm just recording this right now because he just randomly came up to me, which I told him no, but he insisted, so I was like, might as well just see what does 50,000 Vietnamese dong get you for a shoe shine. So yeah. I renew my Nikes, even though they're pretty worn out, to be honest, guys, but why not? And also, guys, he gave me a little, he gave me 2 slippers, and then also has this little like thing over here, mobile guy with his bicycle. So he just basically, I guess this is some bicycle finding people. It's kind of interesting, very interesting to see all his stuff. And also he has, I guess, these like pads for inside the shoes. He has some creams. Let's see. Kind of curious how long this is gonna take.
Very good.
Very good. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah. Are you his friend? No, I'm from America.
Driver.
Driver over here. Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from America.
America.
Are you from Da Nang?
Yeah.
From Da Nang. Okay, nice.
Have you been to Hội An yet?
Hội An? I've been to 2 times.
Banana Hill?
Ben Hill, I've been. So you private driver or just taxi driver? What are you?
Yeah, anh ở nước mua đây.
Got hustlers over here. One's a driver, one, yeah, I love the hustle over here though. Everyone's trying to make money. And me, I'm trying to make money by recording this. So don't forget to smash and like, and hopefully I can support more local businesses. It's all about is helping out each other. It's a whole circle. You watch, I help them, they help me, and then that's how it goes. So this is the result, guys. So both shoes are nice, polished, and clean. What do you guys think? Pretty good. Awesome. Okay, so both, you said 50,000, yes?
50.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'll give him double. Yeah, I'll pay him double for his work. Because honestly, it took me about like, I want to say, I don't know, like 10 minutes in total. Here, this is 100 for you, okay? Come on. No need. It's for you. Tip. Thank you. Thank you. Because I record, I showing my friends, so why not? Hopefully I can give him more next time. Just please, just like and also smash on that subscribe. More support for me equals more support for them. Okay, bye bye. Come on. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.